The incredible health benefits of avocado pear. That is what I am going to share in today's video. And with this information or through this video, you will be encouraged to start taking avocado pear, because avocado pear is one of the best fruits every man needs to consume. There are so many benefits of avocado pear, but in today's video, I am going to share with you few and most important benefits of the avocado pear. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. This video is very important, and with this video, you will know the best health benefits of consuming avocado pear. Now, what are the benefits or the incredible benefits of consuming avocado pear? There are many, but I am going to tell you the ones that is very good and why you need to consume this avocado pear to help you as a man. Number one, it makes your brain sharp. If you want to be thinking fast, consume avocado pear, because avocado pear contains the vitamins that will increase your brain function or the speed of your brain. Number two is that it improves your cell. What do I mean by cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life which build up your immune system and help you to perform as a man. Your cell is what makes you to function as a human being. So with avocado pear, it will improve or increase your cell or your cell function. That is why you need to consume avocado pear. Another health benefit of consuming avocado pear is that avocado pear makes your skin to glow. Since it can make you to stay hydrated, it can also make your skin to glow. Another thing that avocado pear does is that it gives a healthy eyes, that is vision. If you're having difficulty in sight, you want to be the best you want, all you have to do is to learn to consume avocado pear. With avocado pear, it will improve your vision. Another thing that the avocado pear does is that avocado pear has done so many things in our body system, which also help your liver to function well. Do you know that your liver is one of the main parts in your body system which help you to perform well as a man? The liver is also the part of the body that turns sugar to glucose. So with avocado pear, it will improve the health and the working system of your liver. Another thing that the avocado pear does is that it improves your kidney, both your kidney and your liver. The avocado pear will make them to function as they are supposed to be. Another health benefit of the avocado pear is that the avocado pear is loaded with folic acid. This folic acid is very important because it will help you to improve your body system and to help you to make your skin, your body system, to be at its normal state. So consuming avocado pear will help you to have a good folic acid, and this folic acid from avocado pear is natural folic acid. So these are the benefits or the credible benefits why you need to consume avocado pear. So take avocado pear as a man to help you perform as a man and to also improve your health. Anything you are doing, you will do it as you are supposed to do it due to the vitamins and minerals that you are going to gain from taking avocado pear. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. I wish you good luck. See you in my next video. Bye.